उल्टे हाथ का थप्पड़ अपने बच्चे ने मार दिया मुझे. She's never going to tell her father about her boyfriend.
Yeah, hated it.
Hated it. Instagram तो मैंने अपनी बेटी से सीखा.
Yeah,
She
so
was
what
my
are you
admin.
learning from Nisa and you?
I'm definitely picking up their habits in music. No two ways about it.
Music.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Also the
And,
selfies.
Yes, selfies and what looks good on Instagram and what's cool on Instagram. You can't put everything up and all that.
Acha, you can't.
No, you can't. So she looks at my Instagram and she's like, you know, what is this nonsense? You know, have you seen Sonam Kapoor's Instagram? I was like, what do you mean, have you seen Sonam Kapoor's Instagram? Just look at how symmetrical everything is. Look at how aesthetic everything is. So yeah, so she gives me tips on social media. She'll talk about, you know.
The lingo?
Yeah, very much so, of course, but I'm really bad at that. So I'm not even getting there. I'm not even trying. I'm like, just stop there only. I'll just make do with the Webster's Dictionary English.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. But my son is amazing, and like you said, you learn things from your kids all the time, and this one thing really stuck with me because I was firing Nisa for not sitting with us. There was a Mata Ki Chauki at home, and I was telling her, Nisa, come and sit with us. We are sitting here, and you know, why are you sitting on the table? She's like, Mama, I really don't want to. I said, just come and sit with us. So I just got angry. Come and sit down. So after she came and she sat and she left, and my son turned around and told me, you know, he just sat in my lap quietly, and he's like, you know, Mom, you shouldn't fire her for telling the truth.
Wow.
And he gave me it was such a, I felt like, oh my God, that was such an उल्टे हाथ का थप्पड़ अपने बच्चे ने मार दिया मुझे. हाँ, बिल्कुल. So it just felt like it was amazing, but
what
it
a
was
wonderful
amazing
advice
for him. Yeah, he gave it to me like he's 7 years old. You know, he's telling me I lie sometimes to you when you tell me to come and I don't come. मैं तो झूठ बोल लेता हूँ. But she's not telling the truth. She's not lying to you. You should not fire her for telling the truth. I was like, oh
that's a
my
big one,
God,
but what you've learned from him, I think.
huge.
Yeah. So obviously now we have a very fun quiz on parenting for you, which we're going to do. So who will the kid go to, Ajay or you? Love issues.
Love
Nisa
issues.
love issues.
I think Nisa will come to me and Yug will go to Ajay. Because he's very much like, you know, oh, my dad's such a cool guy. And they discuss these guy things with them. And Nisa's really like, you know, Nisa will come to me for...
And she's probably scared of Ajay.
Yeah, she's never going to tell her father about her boyfriend.
Yeah,
or
probably
anything
her
like
father
that.
would have think,
Oh,
no,
nahi
she
bolne
can't
wala
be in love.
He's the kind of guy, he'll be standing with a shotgun. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, God. Padhai likhai.
Padhai likhai mein, I think both kids will come to me also.
Yeah, I think so, no?
Yeah.
Vacations?
Vacations pop. They will discuss 6 months beforehand.
कि
They will
कहाँ
send each other WhatsApps and pictures and, you know, they'll go, look at this link, baby. This room has, this hotel has this spa and this room has this much and it has such a beautiful balcony and it has got this and it has got that. Matlab full in detail they discuss it. Like they'll discuss the food
And you have no
everything.
interest in
And I have
all
no
of
interest. And I'm like, acha, theek hai, mere ko bata dena, ticket kahan pe hai? I'll check with the visas, whether the visas done.
And we're going. Money.
Money, me.
They're discussing that with you.
Money will be discussed with me
Both
only.
the kids.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know who's controlling now. Clearly.
Not at all. Like I told you, it's a balance.
So which is that one film of yours that the kids absolutely loved and hated?
They hated We Are Family.
They hated it.
Hated it. I want
Thanks.
to tell you that, really sad.
No, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
But they hated it because, you know, I get sick and I die in the
Yeah.
end. So my daughter has like come out and she's like, I can't believe that you made me go through this film. I can't believe that you took me for this film. My son was too young.
So it
My
was
son
only
not
because
there.
you died in the end.
Yeah, but she was like, she has howled throughout the film. She hated she's like, I can't, she was traumatized.
And of course, one film of Ajay's that they loved and hated.
Ajay's film, I think they've loved all his films. And I don't think they've hated anything of his films. He's
But
the father.
why?
He's like, you know, he's like, every trial is kept. All the kids go for every film.
But no, if
and
they
all
didn't
that.
like a film, they can say that, okay.
Yeah, but they liked all his films.
One superpower you wish you had as a mother.
One superpower. I'm fine. The powers that I have are enough.
You're anyway clearly calling the shots.
Exactly.
Kajal.
I am and I'm fine. I am superwoman as I am and I don't need anything extra.
Very wise parting words from none other than Kajal.